Turkey's involvement in the Nagorno Karabakh conflict helped Azerbaijan to retake most of the territories that it had lost to Armenia in the 1990s. Turkey's drones and missiles gave Azerbaijan a decisive edge in the air and on the ground, destroying Armenia's air defenses, tanks, artillery, and command centers. Turkey's military advisors and special forces helped Azerbaijan to execute effective and coordinated operations, exploiting Armenia's weaknesses and avoiding its strengths. Turkey's ISR capabilities helped Azerbaijan to monitor and target Armenia's movements and positions, reducing its own casualties and increasing its accuracy. Turkey's political and diplomatic support helped Azerbaijan to resist international pressure and maintain its morale and legitimacy. Turkey's humanitarian and economic assistance helped Azerbaijan to sustain its war effort and cope with the humanitarian crisis. Turkey's alleged use of Syrian mercenaries helped Azerbaijan to augment its manpower and diversify its tactics, although it also raised ethical and legal concerns. Turkey's involvement in the Nagorno Karabakh conflict also had implications for the regional and international balance of power. Turkey challenged Russia's traditional role as the main mediator and power broker in the South Caucasus, and asserted its own interests and influence in the region. It also demonstrated its military and technological capabilities, and its willingness to use them in support of its allies and objectives. Turkey also increased its cooperation and coordination with other regional actors, such as Iran and Georgia, to ensure the stability and security of the region. Turkey also gained a seat at the negotiating table and a role in the peacekeeping and reconstruction efforts in the post-conflict period. According to the web search results, the crucial weapon for Turkish help and Azerbaijan's win in the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict was the Birar TB2 drone. This is a medium-altitude, long-endurance male unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) that can carry up to 4 laser-guided missiles and has a range of 150 kilometers. The Birar TB2 drone gave Azerbaijan a decisive edge in the air and on the ground, destroying Armenia's air defenses, tanks, artillery, and command centers 12. The drone also provided intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance ISR capabilities to Azerbaijan, allowing it to monitor and target Armenia's movements and positions, reducing its own casualties and increasing its accuracy. The drone also enabled Azerbaijan to conduct precise and persistent strikes, avoiding collateral damage and civilian casualties. The Birar TB2 drone was not the only drone that Turkey supplied to Azerbaijan, but it was the most prominent and influential one. Turkey also provided other drones, such as the Anchor-S, the Karayel, and the Kargu-2. These drones complemented the Birar TB2 drone and contributed to Azerbaijan's victory in the Nagorno Karabakh conflict.